The following message has been transmitted by the Lafayette Emergency Management Agency and the National Aeronautics and Space Administration. Around 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, Mission Control in Houston has suddenly lost contact with the Space Shuttle Columbia as it was re-entering the Earth's atmosphere at 243,000 feet above the Earth's surface. Multiple resources at NASA have confirmed that Space Shuttle Columbia has exploded. It is unknown at this time to what caused the explosion of the Space Shuttle. Multiple eyewitnesses has reported that debris from the Space Shuttle Columbia has begun to fall from the sky. It is unknown to where this debris will fall. All residents of Lafayette and other surrounding areas are advised to seek shelter immediately to protect yourself from potentially falling debris. Please continue to listen to media outlets on this developing situation.